We took some of the most recent car fails happening across the internet today from Reddit and YouTube, and all I gotta say is the human race is just getting dumber.
I cannot wait for this one.
This is car kosher. Fantastic. Oh wait, what are we doing? Hold on, it's on camera now. Doesn't matter now. Do you want it in the cap or do you want it in this?
Mm.
Only Australians are gonna work that one out.
Laser space ski.
That was an interesting sip.
Been a long day.
Oh.
Tantalizing, darling.
It's actually not bad.
We have been trying to reach you in regards to your car's extended warranty for quite some time now. This is our final attempt.
That's shit that you would do.
That's what I say on a daily basis.
No, that's shit you would do. It doesn't even snow here and you'd smash it. I like this.
Oh no. What the hell? What the
Can I say this is exactly how Honda people are?
No.
This is the Honda power
No,
thing.
I mean, yeah. No. It says 6,000 RPM. Honey, we got up to like, what, 9, 10?
Do you?
Yes, I do. That's good.
I know what's wrong with it. It's got too much air in it.
Also something I basically say on a daily.
I didn't think he was gonna go that way. I was like, oh no, he's gonna touch it or something, and like, don't touch it. It's f***ing hot. That was good.
Peugeot.
Never buy a French car, man.
This is so triggering.
And what the f***? I need to stop swearing.
We need a little swear jar, honest to God.
Honestly, you know what we should do? Every time you swear, you have to take a shot.
I will be leaving my car here. I do swear a lot.
Yeah.
You can just walk upstairs.
Yeah, that's
Stumble.
true. That's true.
Stumble.
Can I just say, I've seen that happen in a workshop before. I'm not gonna say who it is, but it's like, it's not on purpose, but it's fucking terrifying when it happens. Because then you realize like the whole thing could go up in flames. You're like, oh, that's a huge insurance policy. My God. But if you really want to get out of your mechanic job, I guess that's the way.
It's probably not the right way, the best way. BMW.
Beamer. It's a Beamer thing. Can I get the check engine light?
Alright, so I've seen some actual shit, but whoever is the plumber, bro. Alright, I'm impressed.
That's what we need to do to the Honda.
To the Honda?
Yeah,
Leave my Honda alone.
You having like the bonnet scoop issue the other day.
Oh, actually, yeah, I mean, anything. I'll do anything at this point.
I respect that. I like people who go to Bunnings and like get all the components and put it all together and do that. Better than paying Hard Race $1,000 to have an actual really good running equipment. Why would you do that?
If it works.
Customer's complaint is a noisy Fast 220 that's brand new that his buddy installed. Well, that's not good. That's not good either. This old boy must have been trying to save the environment by not using any zip ties. Got the belt wires. Who pushes the hoses on all the way anyways? You know what helps them a lot is when you slit them a little bit and don't push it on all the way. That's the best.
It's the definition
Take
of
a
my
look
mate.
inside the old fuel tank.
Oh.
What's all that? The factory shower head? Nah, you don't need to take any of that out when you put the fast in. It's got filters. Oh no! That was everything I got out of the tank, so the fast should be happy now. Got her mounted all good like. I didn't do the wire running, so disregard that. It's kind of nice. No more noise.
That's like race car spec with a mate who's actually a raccoon. He's not like an actual human being who put it together. Can you imagine that little raccoon from what's it, Guardians of the Galaxy or whatever?
Oh my god, yeah.
That's just him with a tool belt and he's just twisting spanners or whatever.
He would do it right.
He would.
He would do it right. It's more like a drop bear. Because obviously we're in Australia. There's no raccoons here.
Speaking of.
While we're talking about it.
There's no way to measure that, so I don't know how much trouble you're going to be in later.
Oh, I've seen this.
Yeah, I've seen this.
Hier kommt der Zug.
Please go under it.
Oh, dude, this is like some Fast and Furious
Please
shit.
go under it.
If only.
That's intrusive thoughts winning.
If only. Oh.
I've heard of this happening like in Sydney. What the fuck?
What?
Still confused.
Wait, hang on. I need to go back. I need to understand what's going on here. Okay, so not only is that just a bit of metal, it's like 10mm socket heads. That's
where the terminals keep hitting up. Oh my god!
I understand what he's trying to do here, trying to make it stiffer, but
I don't understand what he is trying to do.
he's trying to give himself
Yeah,
stiff
but
springs.
that's
But that's just crazy.
it's not it.
That, oh my god. If that was to go wrong, that shit would like fire off like a bullet and just
I
go,
really want to meet the person who did this. Like, I just want to see what kind of state they're in.
what happens in Mexico?
Customer complaint. Wipers turn on when you open the visor.
I saw this the other day. Oh, I love it.
Nobody is on the switch.
Oh, it's so good.
And again. Takes a minute, but boom. See,
That's gonna be a
Nobody's
funny,
touching
like,
that.
wire touching wire, like the grounds.
Yeah, because the light in the mirror
Yeah.
that turns on, which doesn't
Watch
turn
this.
on.
Yeah, that wouldn't be wide incorrect. That's hilarious.
So good.
Crazy.
And the plugs were switched up inside there when the guy replaced the window because they're the same exact freaking plug.
Sitting in my truck and I seen this. Should I take it off? Or do you think the people will get mad? I'll take it off. Oh my god, they're on both of them.
Prolonging window wiper life.
Yeah, I guess.
That's better. I couldn't help myself.
So Nissan, in their infinite wisdom, see, Nissan, genuine car, decided that they should make their oil cans out of plastic.
Oh.
And then still use them.
It's stuck.
Just throw it to the background. The top presses into there. Not a big problem until it's even slightly over tightened. And then it just pops right. This piece is $200.
Oh! Okay. Number one, it still bugs me that Americans say Nissan.
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 It's a Nissan. Number two, that's some BMW level shit right there.
And some Tesla, weirdly enough, because Tesla uses like a shit ton of plastics.
How do you know?
I mean, no, I've never been in Tesla in my life.
Never been inside one.
Oh, it was an Uber. That's what it was. It was an Uber.
Yeah, of
Yeah.
course. Naturally. Uber XL or something like that.
Yeah. Tried to stick with like the cheapest level so they wouldn't send me an Uber. But alas, I got stuck with an Uber.
Yeah, gave it
Uber
1 star
Tesla.
because you got picked up on
Yeah.
a Tesla, right?
1 star, sorry, it's a Tesla.
Yeah,
the
sorry.
guy was great. He actually gave me a tip, but it was still a Tesla.
I'm gonna start getting Teslas now. Guys just keep giving me bottles of water every time I get in an Uber, so crazy.
They're laced.
You see this super clean 2007 Kia Sportage, but when you get underneath it, There's a ratchet strap here. What is the ratchet strap doing? Well, it's holding the frame together. If this ratchet strap wasn't here, this car would just break in half. You can see how big
Why you
the
always
section
check
is
under your
missing
car
right here.
when
Just
you're buying a
completely
second-hand
rusted
car.
away. 1,000% completely unsafe, and people are driving cars like this on the road in front of you.
It still happens. Like this does happen in Australia, but nowhere near as much. Especially like in New South Wales, you could barely get away with it.
Absolutely.
But you've heard like horror stories of like people. I get some people aren't car people and they just come in, they just want to get their car serviced and then realize that there's about 20,000 other things wrong with their car because they drive it to ridiculous limits. They're like, my car squeaks like when I drive. It's like, yeah, because you haven't changed your brakes in like 10 years. Like it's crazy.
Is that directed at me?
No, not at all. Why would it be directed at you? But it happens though. Like you ask like Tony or anyone, like people come to the shop all the time. They come with the most craziest stories and you go, dude, how are you alive? Backyard cashy.
Why does it look like cement?
You need a new stone wall at your house, right? There's your...
I really want to touch it.
Did you say you wanted to touch it?
I just wanted to put my hand in it.
What do you mean? What about this makes you want to touch
I
it?
just want to like...
I don't know what you're into, man. This is real. This is how it feels. That's exactly like you know exactly where the wall plug is, like for the charger for your phone. So you're like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna lean over the side of the bed and plug it in and it takes you about 5 minutes.
We got something special today. Nice little gift from the Nissan guys. All right, I'm checking out the vehicle right now. I'm gonna look at the door real quick. We got some items saved there for later. We love that. We always love that. On the floor
I literally
here,
dealt with this
holy
when I worked for
crap.
BMW.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at that.
What
That
happened?
looks good. That's also
This.
for later.
I would come
mean,
in to
we're
like
not
clean and
sponsored by
detail
Nestle,
cars,
but we
and I would
should
get
be.
this cab.
We should be.
But wait, hang on. You
Oh,
mean
you're not that bad.
Oh yeah, customers get in the car and they pick their car up. They're gonna start eating these again.
Hey, at least I get some cookies. That's nice of them.
Is that a trash? Nah.
Hang on a second. Slow up a bit. So you would meet face to face with these people, potentially not shake their hand and be like, yeah, I've got your car. I'll clean it for you. You get there and then all hell breaks loose and you look in the car and there's like a murder in there.
Yeah, and those are the people that I would take the coins. If I found coins under the seat, I would just take them. But if the car was clean, I found a coin, I put them back in the cup holder. But if the car's an absolute mess like that, I'm taking it. If I find your coin, it's mine.
Did you ever find anything more than just a coin?
No.
No dildos.
Oh, no.
Not $10,000 in cash.
Sadly not.
Damn it.
Oh, I can't really, I can't.
Dead animals?
I can't repeat that. Dead spiders, but by my sleigh.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I killed them.
Yeah. What are we talking
I
like?
don't know what it is about BMWs and Huntsmans. Everywhere.
Really?
All the time. And because I was in the mechanic shop, the boys would just hear us scream and immediately know there was a spider and they would just come and kill it. So, okay, I lied a little bit. I didn't kill the spiders. They killed the spiders.
Yeah, okay. Heroes came to save the damsel in distress.
Yup.
Gotcha. I'm with you.
They would be spiders, man.
That was
That's
good.
my hand.
What was your favorite one with this melted wire
This car
stuff?
came in.
This
with
just triggers
multiple
me.
Electrical issues.
There's so much wiring in the Honda.
Can I say though, that's why we keep fire extinguishers in our cars, like all of them.
Well, I had one in my car and then it decided to like set itself off whilst I was driving.
What?
I don't have one in my car anymore.
Don't you? Crazy. So it's like the opposite effect of what just happened just now.
Yeah, it set itself off when there was no fire.
So basically just bukkakied like the whole inside of your car.
I got it out in time.
Was that too aggressive?
I was doing it. I should really, it's actually on my list. I gotta get another fire extinguisher.
It's raining right now though, so you can be fine.
Yeah, thanks, Tom.
Doesn't put out electrical fires though. So.
Thanks, Tom. You're really helpful.
You need to make sure you get the right fire extinguisher. Hot tip for young players. Make sure you get the right fire extinguisher because you couldn't use just a normal one if you're in an electric car. Different compound.
Good to know.
It is good to know. That's why.
There are like so many different ones.
Yeah, there are. But like there's a fire and then there's like a fire fueled by chemical from a battery. Like that's why they're so terrifying, because if that thing goes up in flames, you're in like so much trouble, man. They can't put them out. They just keep burning, keep burning, keep burning, keep burning, because inside the cellular like activity that's going on, it just.
Well, see, thank God my battery's on like a quick release.
I got that kill switch.
I just popped the boot and yeet.
I got that kill switch.
Okay.
That's it. Tune in next time when we make fun of someone else.